Breaking news out of Texas Hill Country. Flash floods have devastated Kerr County. Camp Mystic, a girls' summer camp, has been overwhelmed. The Guadalupe River surged over 20 feet in just hours. Dozens of campers are still unaccounted for. 4 young lives have been tragically lost: Renee Smajstrla, Janie Hunt, Sarah Marsh, and Lila Bonner. Families wait, hoping for a miracle. Federal and state teams are on the ground. Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem is en route to support the response. This heartbreaking tragedy has shaken the nation. We'll continue bringing updates as the search continues.